Herkimer diamond, a crystal of light, clarity, and high vibration. Often mistaken for real diamonds due to their brilliant sparkle and natural double-terminated shape, Herkimer diamonds are among the most powerful and sought-after quartz crystals in the world. Mined mainly in Herkimer County, New York, these unique gems are celebrated not only for their beauty, but also for their spiritual and energetic properties. What makes Herkimer diamonds unique? Unlike standard quartz, Herkimer diamonds form with natural terminations on both ends, making them perfect conduits of energy. Their exceptional clarity and geometric perfection give them an almost magical appearance. Composition: silicon dioxide, SiO2. Hardness: 7 on the Mohs scale. Appearance: clear with occasional inclusions, carbon, air, water. Structure: naturally faceted with double termination. Energetic and healing properties. Herkimer diamonds are known as attunement stones, helping users align with higher frequencies and access deeper spiritual insight. Here's what makes them special in the metaphysical world. Amplification. They magnify the energy of other stones and intentions, making them ideal tools for manifestation. Mental clarity. Promote sharp focus, inner vision, and mental purification. Spiritual awakening. Connect you to higher realms, spirit guides, and your true self. Energy healing. Powerful for clearing chakras, releasing energy blockages, and balancing the aura. Dream enhancement. Placing a Herkimer diamond under your pillow may lead to lucid dreams and improved dream recall. How to use Herkimer diamonds. In meditation to deepen your practice and enhance your awareness. During Reiki or energy work for alignment and cleansing. As part of a crystal grid for intention setting. In jewelry, adding both beauty and energetic value for dream work and spiritual exploration. Caring for your crystal. To maintain its high vibration, cleanse your Herkimer diamond regularly. You can use moonlight, sound, sage smoke, or place it on a selenite slab. Though durable, avoid dropping it. Its sharp points can chip. Final thoughts. Whether you're a spiritual seeker, energy worker, or simply drawn to their luminous beauty, Herkimer diamonds are more than just gemstones. They're tools for transformation. Their unique energy and natural brilliance make them a must-have for any crystal lover. إذا بغيت نحوله لوصف منتج، بوست انستغرام، إعلان ممول أو فيديو قصير، نعاونك نوجد نسخة مخصصة لكل منصة.